That is. I got a fart. Fart.
Hey guys, check this out.
Don't drop that thun. Whoops. I dropped it.
Hey girl, I just want to let you know you mean everything to me.
I just got that on mine.
Yes.
Yo, what up? It's your boy.
All natural.
Knock knock. Who's there? Interrupting ass. Interrupting.
That's why you don't eat ass. That's the reason why you don't eat ass.
Hi, girl. What's up? I gotta tell you, Sean.
Can I use the bathroom?
This is a harder death.
Niggas be like, excuse me.
Hey Tyson, wanna play battle shits?
E5.
Miss.
So far behind. Oh, I was not me, I swear.
Go.
Release the beast within.
Oh, that was a good one. I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you don't poop while taking selfies, I can't trust you.